Hey y'all, Rick Sky here. Welcome back to another Final Cut Pro 10 tutorial video. And I want to remind everyone, if you have Final Cut Pro 10 questions, comment below this video or any of my videos, and I'll try to respond to your question or questions within upcoming tutorial videos. So within this tutorial, I'm going to show everyone how to make someone magically appear within a video. So the first thing we'll do is do New Project. And I'll just say Rick Sky magically appear tutorial. And I'll just click OK. The first thing you're going to need for this, assuming that you're wanting yourself or someone to magically appear, you'll need a video clip. And let me show you this. So this is something I recorded. For me to magically appear in front of whatever background, when I record this video, you can see there's this lead-in part where I'm not there, and then I appear on camera. So that's important. So what I'll do, I'll go a few ticks in here, because anytime you push a button on a camera, there may be a little bit of shake. So what I'll do is do a trim and then a blade, and I'll delete that lead-in part. And then what I'll do here is bring this over just a few seconds. Well, actually, yeah, about 3 seconds. And I'll do another blade, trim blade. And now I'll bring it right to where I want it to be when the person appears, in this case, me. So I'll do another blade. Then I'll delete this part. Between the part with me not there and there, what I'll do is go to transitions, which is this right thing right here. It looks like two triangles facing each other. And I'll select cross dissolve. I will drag cross dissolve where those two connect. And see, it's processing. It's processed now. Depending upon the speed of your Mac, it may take longer. So now what we have is an intro. Check this out. So I'll hit play. 1, 2, 3, boom. Rick Sky here, and within this video, and there I come. So if you want to make it more dramatic, you can go to your sound effects, and you could use whatever sound effect you may have created or downloaded or whatever. But there's one I like that's built into Final Cut. It's called Zap. So what you can do is position it right in front of that, and then when you play it, listen to this. Hey y'all, Rick Sky here, and within this video. So that is how to do it. So to recap, when you film your video, you want to film a few seconds before you enter the camera's field of view. And when I say a few seconds, I mean, do it maybe 20, 30 seconds or so, and then that way if a car drives by and honks its horn or whatever, you can use a different part of that. But you want that to be filming immediately before you enter the frame, because the lighting and anything that may be in the background is probably going to be somewhat the same to make it more convincing. But yeah, that's how you do it. That is how you make yourself, or any subject for that matter, magically appear within a video. Hope you enjoyed this tutorial. If you did, feel free to send me a super thanks. You can click that thanks button down below. Not required, but if you choose to do so, it's deeply appreciated. And if you have any Final Cut Pro 10 questions, comment below, and I'll try to post a future Final Cut Pro 10 tutorial video or videos to respond to your question or questions. Thanks for your viewership, and y'all have a good day. And be sure to subscribe, ring that bell, and check out all of my Final Cut Pro 10 tutorial videos. Hey y'all, Rick Sky here. I hope you enjoyed this video, and please be sure to subscribe to my channel, and when you do, ring that bell icon to be notified whenever I post another video. Thanks for your viewership, and y'all have a good day.